Sam. Bob. Sam and cat. Matt and cat. Sad. It is word. What is?
What's that word? You read that word earlier. What word is that? That's his name. What is it?
Sad. Sad.
No, that's an M. Look, what's this word?
Sam.
What's this word?
Sam.
Okay.
Matt and cat. Cat sit on Sam.
What's this word?
And sit.
No, read the letters.
Sam.
What's this letter? What's this word? Read the letters.
Sat.
Good. Start the whole sentence.
On cat sat on sat Sam.
Read the whole sentence.
Matt sat on cat sat on cat sat on Matt sat at Sam. Sat on Sam. Matt sat on Sam.
Good.
Sam is sad.
Read the sentence.
Sad. Sad Sam. Sad. Sad. At. Sad. Sad. At. Matt.
Okay, read the whole sentence.
Sad Sam, sad Sam, sad Matt. Look, they both had one. Sam sat, Matt sat.
Good boy.
No, I didn't want to read this one.
Yeah, that just says okay.
Okay. Sam. Okay. Matt. Okay. Cat.
Good boy. Yay.
Now I'm going to go here and then what is this one?
We read that one earlier. Pick one that you haven't read yet.
No, these are all hard.
You haven't read this one.
That one?
You haven't read this one yet. Read this one.
No, I have read that one. Okay, I had.
You read it? I didn't hear you read it. Read it to me.
No, that's because you outside.
Oh, well, read it for me. I haven't heard you read it.
Mama, I know, but it's called Dot. And now you read on there today.
You already read Dot? Okay.
Yes.
What one are you going to read now?
A. M. M. A. K. Mat.
Good.
Ball. Mac. Mac had a bag.
No. Yes. Okay, good. Sorry. Yes.
I put this book line. I'm going to read it. This one says, the.
Mm-hmm.
The bag. The bag had a bog.
No, what's that letter?
Dog.
Dog.
The bag had a dog.
Mm-hmm.
Mac had a Mac had a bag. Had
What does A-N-D spell?
and
That's right. What are those letters?
A and D.
So what's that word?
And
Good.
A D dog. Dog. Dog.
Mm-hmm.
Dog.
What's the whole sentence say?
Mac had a bag. A dog.
You skipped a word.
And a dog.
Good.
Mac. Mac.
No, what's that word? It ends in a G.
Mag. Had a whack.
Good. Read the whole sentence.
Mac. Mag
Mm-hmm.
had a rag.
Good.
100 against you.
Okay.